Good morning, Rangers. So I'm back here at the shop. We're going to make that template for the guitar. It is a little wider than 12, which is our maximum width this direction. So we're going to have to do one that's got almost everything here, and then we'll turn it 90 degrees and we'll do another one that is going to cut it this way. So what I want to do first here is to offset this a little bit less than 12. So let's do 11, sorry, half of a 12, a little less than that. So I'm going to do 5.75. And I'll offset up. Hang on a minute. There we go. Offsets 5.75. So we'll do about 11 and a half. And that'll be our parameters for the top and bottom of it. So we'll bring this across. Bring this across. Do a little trim. Trim. This is like a whole bunch of little line segments, so I got to get kind of close to trim on that. Then I can delete that by itself. Same with this guy. Right click, trim. All right, and done. All right, so we're going to print that one way, or laser cut that out once, and then we'll do another one where we do 11 3/4 from the bottom of this one so I can get those edges. So we'll come down to the bottom here, come off a little bit, draw a line across here, and here, offset up 11 3/4. And cut out everything below that. So we'll go in there and trim. Trim. Get rid of that. Put that on red. The line weight is 0, 0. All those. Really need to trim across or cut across that. All right, so we got two laser cuts that we'll do like this. And so let's send it down to the laser. So I'm going to go to File, Print. And we're going to pick our laser, VLS 360, default. Window. Gonna need to be pretty tight in here because it was pretty close to the size of our board. Center. We want this to be 1 to 1, so it's exactly the same size that we drew it. Preview. And it looks like it's all going to fit on there. So I'm going to right click and plot. Do another one over here. Print 360 default window. It's going to be a little bit big. And preview. And plot. All right, so now we're going to go over to our laser utility. There's the second one, there's the first one. It looks like those two on the first one did not go to the right layer. It's probably not on the second one either. Let's go back and check that. Let's see here. Let's make sure everything is on 0, 0. That again. Now it's red. All right, now it's all red. And that one's all red. Beautiful. So we're going to put the wood in the laser, and I'm going to cut these out. All right, so I got the settings all set up here. I got it all ready to go. It's powered on. The piece of wood is in the laser, and we are ready to go. All right, so here's our template. Mostly cut through, so we can do the other one next. Alright, so I have the template rough cut out, still a little bit oversized of the actual guitar body. We got a little bit of, I got about a half of an inch on each side. Maybe we still got room to take it down. And so now I'm working on that bracing. I just took a razor blade and made sure the backs were clean. Kind of scraped back and forth across all that and made sure all the glue was off of it. And I think I'm going to start out by just gluing the big X on first before I add in the little ones. And so I think as far as we're going to get today is we'll glue that on. So that bracing is clamped. I used the template underneath to protect that finish side. And so that was a nice option. And we'll let that sit for an hour and we'll get back at it probably on Wednesday.